This is the African Jumbie. Welcome to the YouTube channel. If it's the first time here, guys, as usual, give the video a like kindly. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment, share the video. We are in Kibata as usual. I promote Kibata because I love Kibata. It is a beautiful place to live. But where in Kibata I am today, I don't know. We're just exploring. You know, when I come to Kibata, man, like I said before, it's like an onion. You keep pulling back the layers, so there's always some place to go. And we are on a different side of Kibata. We're just going, so let's get into the video. Yeah, guys, today is not a good day for exploring. The weather just changed and the rain started coming down. So I'm hunkering down here for a while because I don't want to get soaked. And then we'll see what we can do today. You know, we out. Not gonna let this rain stop us. We'll see what we can do. And hopefully it's not a huge downpour that's gonna last for a very long time. And we can get back into touring, yeah? But I think I better find a better, I think I should find a better shelter because this one has no rooftop. But yeah, we are in a kind of a rural setting, guys. You know, we will see. Let's pray. Let's hope that the rain does not really come down. It's just something that's passing through. And we can get out there and we can continue to stray. Let's go. It's overcast. It was raining. A lot of rain came down. I left home to make videos, but then man, the rain started coming. So just ruined everything, but we're trying to do the best we can. Trying to bring you some content, yeah? So let me see. The lighting is bad. But we out, you know, we out in I just found this area here, like guys, like I said, look at the back. Look at the surroundings. It's overcast, but it's nice. This is the kind of lifestyle that I like. You understand? You're out in nature. If you, for example, buy some land out here, you are not congested. You have space. You can get around. You can walk your dog. You can come out for walks, and you do what? You're just 1 hour away from the city. So in case you like want to get into the city, it can be done easily. So you're in the city, but you also have, you're surrounded by nature. You're surrounded by beautiful space. It's wonderful. You can hear the birds. You don't hear any traffic noise. Listen, it's quiet. All you hear is just nature. This is beautiful. Let's continue to stray. sugar cane. Lots of sugar cane. You know, guys, I need a drone. I need a drone, guys, honestly, because I keep telling you, you have to be here and you have to see the views. The camera is not doing it justice. Not having a drone is not doing it justice. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this. Look at this. Look at this. You know, and it's an overcast day, yeah? It is so, the views, man, it's just amazing. Wonderful, beautiful, beautiful. I like coming Kibata. I love Kibata. I can live in Kibata. Well, I live on the border with Kibata. I come here with the bus. It only cost me 700 shillings. That's like what, 10 cents, 5 cents to get here. But the views is just stunning. So I promote Kibata because Kibata is a wonderful place to live. It's a wonderful place to own property. It's a wonderful place where you retire, you come here and you just relax. Beautiful, beautiful Kibata. So thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, guys. Don't forget to give the video a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. 70% of my viewers are not subscribers. So guys, I'll appreciate it if you can give me a subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Peace and love. Until next time. Bye for now.